Today we'll be looking at a 2-button garage door opener. It's a remote control that will help you open the garage door. Now, I have misplaced the original clicker that I had made a video about a couple months back. So here's my replacement, and I figured, why not create a video about it and share it with you guys. So this garage door remote is an updated version of the original clicker.
Here are the key features that stand out. The remote can extend up to 800 feet. There's a secure encryption and can control up to 2 garage doors or gates.
Let's take a look at the back of the box here. So this Chamberlain remote control is an updated version of several previous models of the clicker. They have them listed here. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the unboxing. Let's go ahead and quickly program this so you guys can quickly see how to set this up for your house. Slide this to the back. So we have the LiftMaster, and this is supposedly compatible with the Chamberlain remote control, so we're going to give that a shot. There's 2 ways to program the remote control for the garage opener. You can use the dip switch option, which is on the right hand side, or the learn button mode, which we'll be demonstrating in this video. You have to erase any codes that was stored previously, so you can do that by holding the learn button for 6 seconds, and then the LED will turn on. And then you'll release it and the LED will turn off. So now that's cleared, we can go ahead and try to program it. Step number 1 is to pop open the case here so we can expose the learn button. Now step number 2 is to hit the learn button on the LiftMaster. And the light will come on once it happens. So the next step is to press the remote control learn button, so that way both of these will be in learn mode. Light will appear. According to this book here, it's telling me that the LiftMaster also leverages the Chamberlain technology, and it's based on the color code of the learn button, and this is a yellow one. So that means you're going to have to press the button 8 times on a remote control. So both of these are now in learn mode, and I'm going to press this button, which I'm going to program as the open button and close button, 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the last step is to save the program by hitting the learn button once again. Alright, so let's give this a shot now and see if it works. There you go, it worked. Alright guys, hopefully that was helpful for you. Until next time, I'll see you then. Thanks for watching.